Hello everyone, welcome back my channel with a new video. Friends, today I have many colorful of toys here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toys with my hand. At first is a police car here, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this police car. This one is white and black color combination. And next one is a military tanker here, so I will try this one. Wow friends, I parked here this military tanker. This one is yellow and black color combination. And now I will hand drive this Spider-Man car here, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this Spider-Man car. This one is pink, black and white color combination. This one is a green company fiction bus here, so I will try this one. Friends, I parked here this green company bus. This one is paste and black color combination. And now I will hand drive this runner car, so let's go. Wow friends, I parked here this runner car. This one is red, white and black color combination. And next one is a cartoony drum truck here, so I will drive this one now. Wow friends, I parked here this drum truck. This one is pink and paste color combination. There is the last one is a mixer truck here, so I will try this one also. Wow friends, I parked here this mixer truck. This one is yellow, white and black color combination. So friends, all of these toys hand drive and serially parked here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many colorful of toys.